In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks seamlessly, focusing on using its app features to enhance your experience. If you're new to QuickBooks or just looking to get the most out of its online platform, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and explore the steps to maximize your use of QuickBooks apps. First, you'll want to go to the QuickBooks homepage. This is your starting point for accessing all the tools and features that QuickBooks has to offer. Whether you're managing finances for a small business or just keeping personal accounts in order, QuickBooks provides a streamlined interface that makes everything accessible. If you haven't done so already, open your web browser and enter the URL for QuickBooks, then log into your account. As you log in, you'll find yourself on a dashboard that summarizes your recent activities and financial statistics, serving as a financial hub just for you. Now, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side. The next step involves clicking on Apps. This option opens a gateway to the QuickBooks App Center. Here, you'll find a variety of applications designed to integrate with QuickBooks, providing additional functionalities tailored to various business needs. These apps range from time tracking and payroll services to inventory management, making it easier to manage different facets of your business operations from one central location. Clicking on Apps is essential as it takes you to a section where you can explore and select applications that suit your unique requirements. Once you've opened the App Center, look for the Overview tab. Clicking on Overview gives you a comprehensive look at all the application options and categories available to you. This is a crucial step because the overview serves as a summary page displaying recommended applications, trending options, and how certain apps can enhance your current QuickBooks experience. Take a moment to explore the different categories and see which applications align with your business goals. This thorough investigation allows you to pick the right tool and, moreover, provides insight into how each app works, even offering user reviews and ratings to guide your selection. As you conclude this exploration, remember that the integration of apps into QuickBooks is meant to enhance productivity and streamline processes. Selecting the right applications can make a significant difference in how effectively you leverage QuickBooks for your business needs. In summary, utilizing QuickBooks' app features begins with visiting the QuickBooks homepage, navigating to the Apps section, and exploring the overview for the best application options. As always, keep your specific needs in mind as you browse through the possibilities. Thanks for joining me in today's guide, and I hope you feel more equipped to utilize QuickBooks to its fullest potential. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Until next time, happy bookkeeping!